Huh?
From what very well may be a big violation of the rule of thirds, according to what I'm seeing on the monitor. Welcome to Smokey Goodness 2.0. It's May the 4th, and there will be no Star Wars references in this video whatsoever. But there will be a shout out to our good friend Tango Joe. It's his birthday today. We're gonna do a little something special for him. Not a big thing, just a little acknowledgement. Anyway, today we're doing the hashtag baconator, I think it's called, collaboration. We're gonna do something that I haven't done in a few years. This is something that was huge, about 7 or 8 years ago, maybe 9. Everybody was doing this. I can't tell you the name of it because I think the one of the words in the title is banned. Or maybe not banned, but might get you in trouble. It's the bacon, or sometimes referred to as the bacon. And well, you'll see what I'm doing once I start the prep here in a few minutes. Usually the bacon is done with pork. Today we're using ground elk from our good friends at Nebraska Bison, under the banner of premium, or Good Life Premium Meats. We talked about that before. 2 pounds of ground elk that we're gonna do a bacon with. So let's get to it. Everything begins with a single flame and a lighter ball. We are blessing the board. Happy birthday, Joe. mission elapsed time. Time to check the temperature. I think we're probably getting close. Oh, look at that. Oh man, does that look good or what? Let's check the temperature. We're shooting between, oh yeah, we want to go over 140, 139, 140. Perfect. That is exactly where I want to be. A little over there. Time to pull this bad rabbit. There you go, 90 minutes to perfection. Ah yeah, oh yeah. Yes, the cutting board has been sanitized. I had 90 minutes to do it and I did it, by golly. All right, take this in. Oh, it's gonna be good. Yes, sir. Woohoo, look at that. It's gonna be good, really good. And we're gonna lightly tent it just for a few minutes. Very lightly. Keep it warm. Hey, you want some of this? Yeah. You better hurry up and get up here and get some, because if you don't, I'm going to eat it all. How does it taste there, Mr. Smoky Goodness guy? I know this is going to be great. We'll find out anyway. Oh, man. Elk is so good. Do yourself a favor. Grab yourself some bacon. Become a baconator. And some elk. And do this. No, Wendy's does not exist in this universe, in this realm. There's no such thing as Wendy's. Smoky Goodness. This was Just 8/8's idea, this hashtag baconator. It's a great name. This is a great dish. You just don't know what you're missing with elk. It just rocks. All right, now, we'll see you next time.